So you've survived the flight. You endured the cramped seat, the crying baby 2 rows back, and the guy next to you who decided it was a great time to take off his shoes and treat the cabin like his living room. Now, you're finally free. You walk confidently through the terminal, dreaming of warm sun, exotic food, and a perfect vacation. Then, it happens. You arrive at baggage claim and nothing. Your suitcase is nowhere to be seen. The carousel goes around, bags come out, other people grab theirs and head out to freedom. But yours? Missing in action. You keep waiting, hoping, praying, but deep down, you already know. It's not coming. The clothes are gone, the meds are gone, your sanity is teetering on the edge. And all you're left with is the realization that you're now the star of your own luggage horror story. But you are not alone. Every year, over 25 million bags are lost or mishandled. That's millions of vacations, business trips, honeymoons, and once-in-a-lifetime adventures getting a sour start thanks to one simple issue: lost luggage. But here's the good news. It does not have to happen to you. Because today we are sharing 15 travel-tested, expert-approved hacks that will keep your luggage safe and sound. These tips are smart, practical, and most importantly, based on real-life experience. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or just planning your first trip in years, you will walk away with tools that can save your stuff and your sanity. And tip number 15? That is the one even frequent flyers forget. Tip number 1. Use airline baggage tracking apps. This is the game changer most people overlook. Major airlines like Delta, American, and United have their own tracking tools built into their mobile apps. That means you can follow your bag in real time, not just at check-in, but from gate to plane to carousel. If your luggage takes a detour, you will be the first to know. No more standing around wondering where it went. These apps can send push alerts telling you when your bag was loaded, when it changed planes, and when it arrived. Just download the app before your trip, log in, and enable bag tracking when you check in. It is fast, free, and gives you control when things go sideways. Tip number 2, use a smart tracker. Even if you are not tech-savvy, this one is worth it. Slip an Apple AirTag, Tile, or GPS tracker into your suitcase. If your bag goes missing, you can check your phone and see exactly where it is. Yes, even if the airline has no clue, it is like having a secret GPS on your bag, and it works, even internationally. If you pick the right model, place the tracker inside your luggage, not clipped to the outside, so it is protected and harder to tamper with. Make sure it is paired with your phone before you fly, and always test the battery to make sure it works. A dead tracker is just a paperweight. Tip number 3, take photos of your luggage and what is inside. This one seems basic, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Before checking your bag, take a photo of it from every angle. Include wheels, tags, color, and any unique marks. Then take a photo of your packed items, especially essentials like medication, electronics, or valuables. Why? Because if your luggage is lost, you will need to describe it in detail. Saying a black suitcase is not going to help when 90% of travelers have that exact one. With photos, you can prove exactly what your bag looks like and what was inside. That speeds up the recovery process and makes your claim more credible. Tip number 4, make your bag stand out. Most luggage looks the same: black, boring, and impossible to spot on a crowded carousel. If you want your bag to stay safe, it needs to be instantly recognizable. Use bright luggage tags, colorful handle wraps, bold stickers, or even a patterned luggage strap. The goal is to make your bag scream, "I am not yours." This is not just about spotting it faster. It actually helps prevent theft and mix-ups. A thief is less likely to grab the neon pink suitcase with glittery duct tape and a giant label that says, "Property of someone who is watching." Travelers have even used themed covers with their face printed on the side. Overkill? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Tip number 5, do not overpack. It sounds harmless, but packing too much is a recipe for disaster. That just-in-case mindset can make your suitcase a ticking time bomb. Overstuffed luggage is more likely to burst open, get damaged, or be flagged by security. One rough conveyor belt landing and boom, your socks are on display for the entire terminal. Use packing cubes or compression bags to keep things organized. Leave room for souvenirs and unexpected extras. And most importantly, if you need to sit on your suitcase to zip it up, you have packed too much. Tip number 6. Keep your baggage claim ticket safe and back it up. That little sticker they slap on your boarding pass is more important than it looks. If your bag goes missing, the first thing airline staff will ask for is that ticket. Not a photo, not your tears, the ticket. Take a photo of it as soon as you get it and upload that to the cloud or email it to yourself. That way, even if you lose your boarding pass or your phone dies, you can access it anywhere. Treat it like your passport's quiet, underrated cousin. Tip number 7. Use a hard-shell suitcase. Sure, soft bags are easy to squeeze into overhead bins, but checked luggage goes through a different journey. It gets thrown, dropped, shoved into tight cargo spaces, and occasionally left outside in the rain. Soft fabric absorbs that abuse. Hard shell luggage deflects it. Think of it like armor for your clothes. A good hard shell suitcase protects your belongings from impact, moisture, and even tampering. Some come with reinforced corners, double zippers, and built-in TSA locks. They may cost a bit more, but they last longer and keep your stuff safer. Tip number 8. Use TSA-approved locks. Normal locks are useless at airports. If TSA needs to inspect your bag and they cannot open the lock, they will cut it off without hesitation. TSA-approved locks have a master keyhole, so security can open and relock your bag without damaging it. They also keep your zippers sealed tight during transit and help protect against theft or accidental openings. Just remember your combination. Getting locked out of your own suitcase is not the travel story you want to tell. Tip number 9. Use zip ties or tamper seals. Here is a simple but powerful hack. Use brightly colored zip ties to secure your zippers before checking your bag. They keep everything shut tight and make it obvious if someone tried to tamper with your suitcase. TSA can easily cut through them if they need to inspect your luggage, and you can bring extras in your carry-on to resecure the bag afterward. It is cheap, simple, and smart. You will instantly know if something was messed with. Tip number 10. Label your luggage inside and out. Those flimsy paper tags the airline prints, they get ripped off all the time. If that is your only label, your suitcase becomes a mystery box floating around the system. Always put your name, phone number, and email inside your suitcase, preferably right on top in a clear bag or attached to the lid. If your bag is lost and someone opens it, they will know immediately who it belongs to. That one step could save you days of waiting. Tip number 11. Take a selfie with your luggage at check-in. This might sound like an Instagram move, but it's actually a brilliant way to protect your belongings. Snap a photo of you and your suitcase, preferably with the airline check-in counter visible in the background. This serves as proof that you checked your bag in good condition. If your bag is damaged or disappears, the photo shows the bag's condition, the time it was last seen, and that it actually existed. It's a low-effort move with high-impact benefits. Save the photo to the cloud for backup. Tip number 12. Ask the agent to flag your bag if you have a tight connection. Most travelers hope their bag makes the switch. But if your layover is under an hour, your luggage might miss the memo. Politely asking the agent to flag it for priority transfer can make a surprising difference. It alerts the baggage handlers that your bag is on a tight schedule and needs to be moved quickly. It's not a guarantee, but it increases your odds. It's a quiet power move few travelers use, but it could save your entire trip from starting in your backup socks. Tip number 13. Fly nonstop whenever you can. Every connection is a risk. More flights mean more chances for your bag to go AWOL. Tight connections, delayed flights, and human error all increase the odds that your luggage goes to Cleveland while you are landing in Cancun. If you have the option, book nonstop flights even if they cost a little more. One flight means fewer moving parts, fewer handlers, and a better shot at your suitcase landing when you do. Peace of mind is worth a few extra bucks. Tip number 14. Buy travel insurance that covers lost or delayed luggage. Losing your bag is bad enough. Replacing everything in it? That is expensive. A solid travel insurance policy can reimburse you for the essentials while you wait for your suitcase to catch up. Not all policies are equal, so read the fine print. Some credit cards also include this coverage if you book the flight through them. It might cover toiletries, clothes, charges, even medication if your luggage is delayed. A 5-minute call could save you hundreds of dollars. Tip number 15. Use your airline's app to track your bag in real time. We're closing with one of the most underrated tools travelers forget. Many major airlines now let you track your checked bag from your phone using their mobile apps. This is not third-party tech, it is built in. The app tells you when your bag is loaded, transferred, and delivered to the carousel. You will know if your bag made the connection before you even get off the plane. Download the app before your flight and enable notifications. This alone can keep you 5 steps ahead of lost luggage chaos. There you have it, the 15 tips that'll make sure your bag lands where you do. If even one of these tips made you feel more like a travel ninja, hit that like button and subscribe. This channel's all about no-fluff travel hacks the airlines hope you don't find out. Now go enjoy your trip, and may your luggage always be exactly where you are.